Hello guys, welcome to River UX. Myself Nimesh. Today, let's see how to configure basic VLAN configuration in GNS3. In this tutorial, I'll be using this diagram, which comprising one Cisco layer 2 switch and 4 PCs. These 4 PCs will be separated, reconfigured into two VLANs called VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. During this lab, we'll see how we can configure VLAN in a layer 2 switch and how to assign ports into different VLANs and how to communicate inside the VLAN. Uh, in the next tutorial, we'll see how to configure between VLANs. So let's begin. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up a basic VLAN using a layer 2 switch in GNS3 and 4 PCs comprising two VLANs I'm planning. So here I'm using Cisco IOS layer 2 switch and I'll use 4 PCs here so that this one and I'll delete this one, like PC2 and PC3 and also PC4. Then what I'm going to do is I will connect them immediately. Right, I enable the labeling of the ports. I run the setup. Nothing happened. Cool. Then I'll open the terminals. Then you can see that all these terminals are getting opened, and then you can see that we have switch 1 opening booting PC2, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. So here I'll do one thing. So I'll label this as VLAN, VLAN 10, and I'll add another label here, which is VLAN 20. Then I'll add this as 10.0.0.2/24, and the default gateway is 1. Okay, and right, I'll move here. And I'll add the same thing as 003/24, and the default gateway is 1. Then I'll add another one here, 10.0.0. Sorry, 10.0.0.2/24. Sorry, the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. And another one here, 10.0.0.3/24 and 10.0.0.4. So now the setup has been created. This is the one I'm going to use. Then I'll configure the PCs accordingly. So PC1 obviously with this, it is IP 10.0.0.2/24 and via default gateways. Right. Oops. And show IP, and you can see 10.0.0.2 here. I 10.0.0.3/24. Okay, it's done, and I will configure the next one, PC3, as IP 10.0.0.2/24, and the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. And also PC4 here as IP 10.0.0.3/24, 20.0.0.1 and seems okay. Now let me ping to 10.0.0.3. It is pinging correctly. So what I'm going to do is I will now add these four PCs into two VLANs. To do that, what I'm going to do is uh, what I'm going to do is I'll go to enable. Okay, let's say to show VLAN. Okay, sorry. I'll go again here back to the exit mode, and I need to run a show command. Show VLAN. So you can see default VLANs. Now VLANs have been created here. Only default VLAN. So first we'll create some VLANs. Go to conf. Then what we do is we go to VLAN. Sorry, wait. We go to it's we go to wait. Yeah, we go to VLAN. VLAN. Then we have to give a name VLAN 10, and then name of the VLAN as VLAN 10. Cool. Again, go back VLAN 20 and name VLAN as 20. Right. Then we go back and we check whether our VLAN has been added properly. Show VLAN, and you can see that our two VLANs have been nicely added. Only thing is we still no ports have been assigned. Now it's our next task is adding ports. Again, go to configuration mode, configuration terminal. What I'm going to do is now add first I'll go to interface Giga Ethernet 0/0, then switch port mode access, switch port access what VLAN. Through this port only VLAN 10 should be added, and next I'll go to interface Giga Ethernet 0/1, and again switch mode access, and switch port access VLAN. Again this is also VLAN 10. Then again we'll go to interface Giga Ethernet 0/2, and we have to give switch port mode access, and switch port access VLAN, in this case 20, and again exit, and interface Giga Ethernet 0/3, and switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. So we have now configured all the VLANs, and let us check whether we have done it correctly. And I'll go here to the user mode and say show run, show command, show VLAN, and you can see for VLAN 10 Giga Ethernet 100 and 01 added has been added, and for VLAN 20 02 and 03 have been added. Now let's check whether we can do the pinging properly. Okay, we can do the pinging and from PC3 to PC4. Let's see. Uh, they also can ping with each other. Now let's see whether we can ping to the other one. No, we can't ping from there. And also from here, let's see. Here also we can't, since we can't, we are not reachable. So we have now isolated separate networks through layer 2 switch. In the next video, let's see how to enable communication between these two VLANs. In this tutorial, we learn how to configure basic VLAN configuration in GNS3. I hope you have learned something new. If you learned something, please do like and share. If you want to get to know about future such videos, please click the bell icon and subscribe to us. Till we meet again, have a great time.